Hi, this is the unboxing of Langwolf toiletry bags for women and girls, which is one of my recent purchases. This came packed it in a regular carton box like this itself. There was no other packaging, so I'm happy. Less packaging, less clutter. It comes in this beautiful white bag, which has the brand name and logo on it. So let's see quickly what's inside, how it looks. Okay, so this is how the bag looks. This is the front of the bag and this is the back. So front there is a zipper compartment which is waterproof, so you can have your wet stuff, grab and go kind of things which you don't have time to clean up or dry up. You can just throw it here, it will be all good. And in the back there is a holder which you can directly put into your suitcase or your trolley bags. So that's how the front and back looks like. Let's see inside. So this is a single zipper bag with lots of room. So you can see there is two small compartments, one for the brush and toothbrush or makeup brush. The other one is to the opposite side. There is a simple zippered compartment, again waterproof, a good lining, plastic durable lining. Then we have two big compartments. Looks good. It is quite big enough to last for one or two persons or 1 week of supplies, I should say. Zippers are well made, looks pretty, and yeah, overall quality wise it looks pretty good, decent. Stitching is good. I like the decent durability of the material. It's not very thin and or transparent, looks sturdy enough. I would show you after adding my stuff how it looks. There's a simple hook given here, so I hope it stands, it can hold all the things properly. I'll hang and show you guys how it looks. This is how a filled-in bag looks like. If you could see, I have placed the travel size bottles and the big size bottles just to show you that the size wise both the small to medium size items would fit in here. This is the brush area, which looks pretty neat, and this is the top one is my fine jewelry area, so it's pretty see-through. For a busy mom like me, this helps in finding stuff easily. I don't have to dig in and keep digging in to find my stuff. And I forgot to mention, this bag comes in 3 different colors in the side, so I pretty much like something patterned and printed, so this is the only one in the printed option. They do have a gray and a pink option as well. Lastly, as I was saying, yes, this hook is quite sturdy. It holds the entire weight perfectly, and I hope it will come a long run. Thank you guys.